Today, I will show you how to make money online using this method. This is a relatively new method in the money-making world. And only a few people are aware of it, so it's a little low-key for the time being. But it's your lucky day. Because you'll learn all about it in this brand new video, where you can make a whopping $200, $500 just by watching videos online. And guess what? You can do this on a regular basis by repeating this process. What do you say? Are you in? Before we go to the tutorial, don't forget to smash subscribe button and notification bell to get notified my new update video on how make money online. All you have to do is stay with me till the end of the video and watch the entire thing from start to finish. Also, don't skip ahead in the video, because if you do, you might miss out on some very important information. You may make money online by following these 3 simple steps. First, open your device, any gadget you have. Second, watch some videos on the internet that take around half a minute. And third, finally, earn some real money. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. You have nothing to worry about with this method, because you can fully access it even if you are a complete beginner with no prior experience, or any technical skills at all. What's even better is that you can fully access this method, and earn money in a split second regardless of where you are on the planet. Stay closely, as I explain how you can accomplish all of this as I walk you through the entire thing. Simply give me your full attention, and watch this video all the way to the end. Because you don't need any investments, and no payments since this approach is completely free. Please allow me to inform you about the website, this website is called gg2u.org, and, as I previously stated, it will allow you to earn money online for free without making any payments or charges. As you can see right here on their website, you can earn rewards for taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, and so on. So, basically, you'll just be doing very simple tasks that you do on a daily basis on the internet. Among these 3 methods, we are only going to focus on making money by watching videos. Because it is the simplest of them all, and watching videos also has the highest income yield, allowing you to earn the most money possible. The only difference is that this time you are actually getting paid to do things that you probably already do. A minor quirk that I really like about this service is the $1 sign-up bonus that you get after registering on their site, and earning the simplest $1 you will ever earn. They also have a good review on Trustpilot, with 4.3 stars and 811 reviews. That amazing number makes this website as legit for making money online through gg2u.org. And you can research another review on Google search. To make you sure to work with this website, I'd like you to fill in your basic information for registration, such as your first name, email address, username, and password, as well as your country. After filling in all of the information, the next thing I want you to do is simply tick this box right here to agree to the privacy policy and membership agreement. If you notice in the country section, they cater to almost any country in the world, which means that no matter where you are on the planet right now, you can utilize this money-making method for free, and with complete accessibility. After that, all you have to do is click on this button that says sign up for GG2U, and you'll get your free account as well as your free $1 right away. Now, before I forget, this website is absolutely fantastic, because it allows you to claim your money through a variety of methods, including PayPal, e-gift cards, Skrill bank transfer, and more. The information on their webpage shows that they have one of the highest payout rates in the industry, at 65 to 85%. Compared to their competitors' payment rates of only. This is a major deal since you may earn more and more money with this website as time goes on. Because you already have an account, you'll get this message welcoming you to GG2U. They'll also inform you that they're a very high-paying source for survey routers and wall offers, because they normally pay out between 65 and 85% on them. Currently, you can see that they will credit you with $1 for every 100 coins you earn, and once you've earned a minimum of $7, you can request a payout to your PayPal account, or any other payment method that is convenient for you. This is actually very good news, because if you have a payout threshold as low as $7, you can cash out again and again to get more money in the future. After that, you'll be redirected to the page with this message above. To get started, here are some things that are very easy to do. Remember that for each 100 coins you'll earn $1. As you can see right here, the coin rewards are actually revealed at each task, so that you'll be able to see how much you'll be able to earn. The opportunities with gg2u.org are literally limitless, and you can choose to perform all of these tasks and build multiple streams of income by scrolling and scrolling. There are tons of offers and tasks that you can complete, so feel free to scroll and scroll until you find the perfect projects to pursue. As a result, your earnings will undoubtedly increase exponentially, and you will be able to reach new heights in your money-making journey. And just in case you forgot, make sure to concentrate solely on the task of watching videos. Because, as I mentioned, it is much easier and yields a much higher income. In fact, if you scroll down to find some tasks, you'll notice a note right here that says some of these offers are only available for a limited time, so try to complete them as soon as possible. With that in mind, make sure to complete the tasks as soon as possible to earn these points, which will later be converted into real money. Before we go to next steps, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel, and give it big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Now, you can choose what video you want to watching. Click on the Start Earning orange button, and click a Start Earning for watching these video. And you will be taken to this videos page, and you will start watching the videos. When you have finished for watching the videos, you will be earned point, and you'll be taken to this page, which is basically your entire account dashboard, as well as track your earnings for the first cash out. When you reach $7, you'll notice that your account only has $1 in it, which is from the sign-up bonus. You'll need $6 more to pay out your money. As you can see, this video is all about how you can make money by watching online videos on the internet. To do that, you'll need to click on this link right here, which says videos, and you'll be redirected to this page where you can start earning money online. For every 200 video points you earn, you'll get a silver token that will add $1 to $3 to your account balance. Now take a moment to appreciate how incredible that incentive is. You can easily earn anywhere from $1 to $3 for all films with at least 200 video points. Let's scroll down a little further, and you'll see that you may earn video points by completing any of the offers listed below. Remember that video points will help us make a lot of money, so let's go ahead and watch some videos right now. You probably thought you'd be watching some boring videos with no value, but you'll actually be watching some very interesting videos with a wide range of topics to choose from, as well as a wide range of channels to watch and earn money from. Let's not delay any longer and allow me to show you a real-life example. Let's click on this channel right here by clicking on the orange button over here. Then after that you'll be redirected to this page, which is actually Hideout TV. After doing so, you'll be able to open multiple tabs on as many devices as you want. After doing so, you'll be able to open multiple tabs on as many devices as you want, and play a variety of games. But just when you think that's all there is to it, wait until you hear that you can actually double or even triple your income using this little secret that I'm about to tell you about. To do this, you'll need to click on the gear icon on the video and select the lowest resolution. If you still want to make more money, here's another tip. If you have any devices that are capable of playing some online videos, you can easily navigate the entire thing by clicking on these videos on the right side of the page. And you can increase your earnings by a long chat because more and more points will be added to your account, thus expanding the scope of this opportunity. It doesn't end there because there's two final secret that I'm going to show you. You can see this arrow button right here beside the gear icon right, and if you click on it, it will reveal more and more videos for you to watch, making your life so much easier. Second, If you don't watch all of these videos from start to finish, then you won't be able to make any money at all. That's why you need to follow everything I've just told you step by step without missing a single procedure. You don't need to do much work to accomplish all of this. And what I really like about it is that you can do it again and again. Choose another channel when you've finished the first one, and continue the process. It's just a cycle for you to earn more money online, and it doesn't get any better than that. That's it. I hope this video can help you to make money online. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like this content, don't forget to smash subscribe button and notification bell to get more new idea on how to make money online. If you have a question, feel free to comment on down below. See you on the next video.